This is Tom Forsyth. Thank you for checking out this sample clip from Tai Chi Chuan for Everyone, a complete course in the Sun style. I hope you like it enough to make learning the Sun style part of your everyday life at taichiclass.org.
Just notice how you feel. Notice whether it's easy or more difficult. Adapt. Accept. Just be with what is. And as you accept and be, also notice that, you can change for the better. And you can be happier. The more you accept, the happier you'll be. Okay, reverse. That's our journey into ourselves. We want to find our real beings deep within all the programming that help us cope with this messed up world. It's the world we have, right? So we live in it, and we make the best of that. Have a good attitude. Oh. That's the yin-yang. That's the darkness in light and the lightness in dark. All balances out. Everything's in flux. Things circle around. If you want something to go up, first it will go down. Or to go down, first it will go up. Expansion, contraction. Up and down, in and out. It's the Tao. That's the laws of the universe. Oh, let's switch arms, switch legs. Left leg back, right leg forward. And circle from front to back. That's the inevitability of change. And it's a wonderful thing. Oh, where would we be without it, right? So, as Krishnamurti said, my secret is I don't care what happens. On a practical level, we all make these plans, and that can be fine, because it helps get things done to make plans. But you need flexibility and openness. You need to be able to change your plans when things change. If you, as the Tao says, are an old brittle tree, you will snap at the slightest breeze. If you are a young and flexible tree, you will flow with the wind. And how do we deal with that as we age? Well, young at heart. Young at heart. And, at least for me, daily practice of Tai Chi Chuan. It keeps me flexible. It keeps my body moving. It keeps my body trim. And it provides fabulous lessons in constant change. My Tai Chi Chuan is almost never the same day to day. If nothing else, the ground underneath my feet changes and shifts. I go to the same places. I have several places that I go, but the ground moves. I mean, just a little bit of wind blows some sand around. Okay, reverse. And if it's not the ground, then it's the trees around me, or maybe the river in front of me. I'm often practicing in front of the Virgin River, which the opening scenes of this program are shot on the banks of the Virgin River. And it's constant change. I mean, just like these waterfalls. I chose these little waterfalls because they represent the constant change of moving water. The gentle flow, but constant change. And the Virgin River is a wonderful little object lesson in that ongoing change. The levels change hour by hour, minute by minute, really, if you watch carefully enough. The color changes. If there's runoff, it can be red. Sometimes it can be gray. Sometimes it's clear. Everything changes. Embrace the change.
Thank you for watching this sample of Tai Chi Chuan for Everyone. You can find the complete course at taichiclass.org.